Vulcan, the eco-friendly anti-scale system. Made in Germany.
Vulcan is an eco-friendly water treatment system that prevents limescale deposits and rust in piping systems and equipment. Vulcan also gently reduces existing limescale deposits in old pipes and appliances. The eco-friendly Vulcan Impulse technology works without salt, without chemicals, and without magnetism, and thus protects the environment. The eco-friendly Vulcan Anti-Scale System is installed at the Paris Country Club in Paris, France. The Paris Country Club has a 9-hole golf course, driving range, 3 separate swimming pools, tennis courts, full gym, cinema, spa, and massage area, as well as a full restaurant. The Vulcan S100 unit was installed on the water main for the clubhouse to protect the bathrooms and kitchen areas from limescale deposits. More Vulcan references, studies, and test reports you can see on our website, cuwtvulcan.com. Contact your local Vulcan distributor to get a Vulcan test unit for your application.